Alrighty, so what we're gonna do right now, Vic One, let's go ahead and bless him with an instrumental of his own, so we can go ahead and get something live from Snoop Dogg up in here. You remember this one right here, dog?
Yeah. You want something new or something old on this?
Man, I want gin and juice.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop Dogg or Double G, but I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky. With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop Dogg or Double G, but I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky ass hits like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through. It's 2 in the morning and the party's still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got some chickens in the getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? I got a pocket full of them and big boy he got some too.
Lights and close the door, but what?
We don't love them, so we gon' blow our
Bounce to this.
G's up, freeze up for a second now, bounce to this. I even put the radio version on for you.
That fine is heavy.
It really is.
You know?
Yes, sir. We just rolling down the street, smoking, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back, with my mind on my money. Now that I've got me some single gin, everybody got big ups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of hit happens all the time. You gotta get yours big, I gotta get mine. See,